those vent tubes are now glued up against the side of the turret, and as you can see, I'm going to have to do a little touch up with the brush here and there. And you're probably noticing that the photo etch pieces are upside down. Well, actually they're right side up. I had painted them upside down. I painted the wrong side. Yeah, gotta touch them up too. Now, one of the viewers in yesterday's comments made the suggestion to get rid of that blue tack. Just use another piece of blue tack. I'm supporting it from the back because I don't want to rub it, break it off. Well, got most of it anyway. Now you'll notice there's these 5 little squares on the foredeck here. And you remember way back in steps 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, we made 18 of these. Now these are sort of sloped one direction. In other words, if you put them on this way, they're going to be sort of facing forward, and I'm assuming that's the way they're supposed to go on. The instruction drawing is just not too clear, but it only makes sense to me that they'd be sort of facing forwards, and because they are called intakes. Yeah, so if you want it to intake, it's going to intake best as the air is passing, this way. Okay, there's a bit of a change in plans here. I just did a dry run. I found that these are not perfectly square on the bottom. They're kind of rectangle. And these little squares are also rectangular. So that means they have to be put on. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them like this, so that the ones on the starboard side are facing out to the starboard side. The ones on the port side, we'll turn them and have them this way. Now the one in the center, the rectangle has it so that it would go, like this. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and glue those on. We now have these little pieces that look like little wrenches. Or maybe the way they're sort of laying out there, they look like chromosomes or something. Anyway, these 4, they go on the back breakwater, in front of it I mean. 2 on this side and 2 over here on this side. And then there's 22. They go all the way around the front here. But you know what? I think that's going to be tomorrow now. I was working on my neighbor's car again this afternoon and took up a little bit of time. And I really enjoyed doing it too. It was kind of fun, something different. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.